In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on any iPad. I'm going to show you the 4 different ways to do this process. Let's see that. Number 1, using buttons. Just press the Touch ID and volume up button at the same time, just like that, or Touch ID and volume down button at the same time. That's number 1. Then second way, just open the settings app and then open accessibility. Now open touch and assistive touch and just turn on this option. Now just touch this and open device and click these 3 dots which says as more, and here you can see the option screenshot. Just click that. That's it. That's second way. Now number 3, just long press this icon. That's it. You can also use the stylus also, just like that. It's very easy. And finally, fourth way, just ask Siri, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." That's it. Yeah, these are the easy 4 ways to take a screenshot on any iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.